Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine. So this video is being made because of a certain scam which is there in aviation, and I would like to speak about two topics. One is about the agents involved, and the second is about false advertisements. So these two things are what I want to address. Many people would not like this, but I don't care anyway. So a friend of mine wanted to join a flying school. He wanted to pursue his career in the field of aviation as a pilot. So we started writing mails to different flying schools, which we thought were at the top. So what happened is, in a day or two, instead of the schools replying, we started getting calls from various agents. So I kept asking them, "Are you from the school?" He said, "No, I represent the school." And then I finally asked him straight, "Are you an agent?" He said, "Yes." And finally, he told me that there won't be any change in price when it comes to the final thing. But then I started researching a bit. So he gave me a quote which was 7 lakhs higher than what we would have to pay if we directly went to the school. So it was around 6 to 7 lakhs higher. I spoke to a few other agents also, researched in detail. They're all charging 5 to 6 lakhs in the name of paperwork. So I confronted the agent and I asked him, why is he charging this extra money? So of course he said, "I'm an agent and I'm charging for my services." So what I mean to say is, you don't need an agent. You can just directly go to the school and you can save those 5 to 6 lakh rupees. So this is one of the things happening. Many students have been falling in the traps of these agents, and they claim that they own the flying school, which they don't, and they send them abroad and they have a huge cut in between. Now, secondly, I would like to speak about false advertisements. So I've been seeing many advertisements, and many people also coming and telling me on Instagram, and also on a few of my friends also who have been trying to go for flying. They have been saying that there are advertisements and there are people who have been calling them and who have been selling this idea that they can complete their CPL in less than 10 lakhs or less than 7 lakhs. Some are even saying 5 lakhs. So guys, that does not happen. To complete your CPL, you at least need 25 to 30 lakhs. Anything below that is a scam. So I researched a bit more. I went a bit more deeper and I found out a person who has lost his money like this. And I found him through a friend, and I called him up. I asked him if he could be on this video, which he declined. But yeah, he gave me the permission to talk about it. So what happened is, an agent like that called him up and he said कि भैया 7 लाख में पूरा CPL हो जाएगा, and this guy fell for it. And he paid 7 lakhs upfront, took a loan even for the 7 lakhs. 7 lakhs is also a great amount. He took a loan, and finally what happened is the agent just vanished with all the money. So in 7 lakhs, nothing happens. I mean, it is very sad to say, but to do your CPL, I know it's expensive, but it costs somewhere between 25 to 30 lakhs. And that too, if you're doing in the conventional way, that is on your own. If you're doing it through a cadet program, it costs even more. And 25 to 30 lakhs these days, I'm saying, is on the minimum. If you're doing it on your own, and that's the minimum cost that will incur to you. So don't fall into these traps. There are many people who are falling these days. That's why I thought I should make a video explaining what is happening. You should research completely before you fall into. If you go to the DGCA site, FAA site, you will find all the lists of flying schools which are available. You can directly get in touch with them. You don't need any agents. You don't need any help from outside. You can just contact the flying school. And make sure that you are talking to them through their official lines, official email ID. You can call them up, or best just visit them. But don't fall into the trap of these agents who are charging more or claiming to charge less and cheating. So guys, just be safe, be careful. Take care, guys. Happy landings. Bye bye.